W with MRMIKE.
Hello everybody! Today we are going to draw a ladybug. Look at that little ladybug. Did you know that I always wear a ladybug on my hat? You see it up there? Where is it? Right there. And to create this ladybug, all we need is an arc, a circle, and a line. Well, that's not hard. Let's see how all this fits together. Start off, let's put a circle right in the center of the paper. Okay, and drawing circles are hard because we want it to be as perfect as we can, but it's all right if it's a little lopsided or it looks more like maybe it's an oval, but do your best. Try your hardest. Okay, and you can always go over your circle again if you're trying to fix the outside of it. Okay, so we have our circle, and now we're going to use an arc, and the arc is going to start at this side and go all the way over to this side. So let's draw our arc, and now we're going to do two more arcs. One here, and then another here. Now we're going to color this part in, just like this. All right, next we're going to take a line, and we're going to start here, and we're going to end here. Just have your line go all the way across the ladybug. And now we're going to make two more arcs. And the arcs will start about here. Both of them will start here. And one is going to go this way, and the other will go the opposite way, like this. And now we're going to color in this area and go over that line that we created. Okay? Next, we're going to draw the spots. The spots will be circles. We'll start right about here, and you can do different spots. You don't have to do exactly the pattern that I do, but remember they should be symmetrical. And what symmetrical means is whatever is on this side is exactly the opposite on this side. So if we put a circle here on the opposite side, we should put another circle in the same place. And if we put a circle here, we should put another circle right about over here. And then add another circle over here. And then we'll add on the opposite side, to make it symmetrical, we'll add another circle here. And then maybe we'll add another one here, and then another one here. Okay, now you can color in all of those circles. Just color them in. You can use whatever color you want because this is your ladybug. And look at that, we're almost done. It's not very hard to draw a ladybug once you break down all the basic lines and shapes and you figure out how to put them together. Now if you go out of the lines, that's fine. You can either leave it like that or you can trace over it again and make a thicker line around it. But whatever you like. If you have a coloring line that goes a little bit out, you can just leave it there. That's fine. All right, next we're going to do two more arcs. One on this side that goes outward, and then one on this side that goes outward, just like that. And what I like to do is I like to add a second arc. I'll start here, but I make the bottom a little bit thicker. So it start at the top in the same arc line, and then you come down here and you just make this a little thicker. Same thing here. Just make it a little thicker at the bottom. Okay? Look at our ladybug! Great job, everybody! Thanks so much for drawing with me. I'll see you next time. Bye!
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.